So you guys decided to stay after all? Why? You gonna go to 4th of July party? Huh? Where? Where are you guys going?
I don't want to one party.
You gonna go to 4th of July party?
Yeah.
Where at? Obachan's? Gonna go to Obachan's house? Yay! Say hi to Obachan and Grumpy, okay?
We're not going there.
You guys are going there.
No, we're not. No, we're not.
Yes, you are.
We're going Grumpy house.
Yeah, Grumpy and Obachan. Remember Grumpy is married to Obachan? Yeah? I like your outfit. Yeah. Your 4th of July outfit. Naka long sleeve maski mainit. Ha? Bakit naka long sleeve kayo? Ang init-init. Ha? Ang init-init eh. What is init? Hot. It's hot. Ito, may scratch sa mukha. May scratch din tong isa. Laga naman, lagi na lang kayong pareho. Ha? Did you drink your water, baby? Kira? You want your water? Are you sharing water?
Yeah.
Share your water to your sister. Good.
Anak buhay ko po, nililinis po kami ng bote. Pinatanggal po namin yung level. Bali po, ang binabayad po sa akin, 2 piso po bawat kilo.
Kira.
Sinisika po namin na
Ay, sino ka ba? Mia. Ah.
isang araw para magkaroon po kami ng 150. Pagbilis na yung pagkain, tapos natira po, pagkain po ng mga anak. Dahil po kami pinabibis ng bote ni Mama Galing.
Mom, is that watermelon?
Oh yeah, it is watermelon.
Why? Why did you cut watermelon?
Look at them how poor. Look how poor they are, oh. See? They're helping their parents to earn money so they have money for food. And you guys are really fortunate to have a good life. So you must not be wasting food.
I want one full.
No, I'll just gonna feed you. Mas nakakakain pa kayo pag pinifeed ko, oh. Pag, yan.
Nangungutang po ako para kahit pa paano po makakain po yung mga anak.
Mama's done. Mm. Yum, ha? See, that is better than candy, right?
No.
Ano daw? Napaka-ungrateful itong isang to. You're so ungrateful.
May laban sila sa school math contest. Siya po yung napiling ilalaban. 3 buwan na walang trabaho yung asawa ko.
Oh, your sister one. Be careful, ha? Huwag naman, Mia. Stop that.
I'm going to watch that. I'm going to watch that.
Bye.
I want
Ingat kayo ni
that.
Daddy.
What are you watching? Minion Party?
Morning! Guess what day it is today?
When you are 2 years old?
It's Minion Party! Good morning, birthday
Or
party
you want this
girls.
one? This one, surprise party.
Huh?
I want that photo. party.
This one?
Yes.
You want that one? Surprise party?
Holy cow.
A minion? You like that one?
No time.
Come in. Good morning. Pancakes as per Mia's request. She woke up at like 6:30 asking to get pancakes.
We never really bought them because like it's just not natural.
Ano, Elsa naman?
Hesitate
O,
to buy it
lipat-lipat
at
ka naman eh.
Costco because now they're organic. It doesn't include
Wow! Is that you or your sister?
It's Ate.
Ate Jana. Can you sit down properly, baby?
Tummy.
Okay, hold tight. Okay.
Good morning. Oh, that's Daddy's chocolate. No, it's not. Guess what?
We can go to Bippity Boppity to be
Yeah. What princess do you guys want to be?
Mira.
Bippity Boppity Boutique is a big deal.
Oh? Nakakalas, oh.
Ano ba ito?
Kailangan itip to.
Tip mo muna.
Sisimula na eh. Mia, Kira. Do you love manga? How much? How much? Huh? That big? That big?
Yeah.
Where you going tonight? Huh?
To the party.
Party?
Yeah.
Whose house are you going?
What's that now?
Ubachan's house?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Now, I'm gonna start cooking your egg roll at 2:30. So it will still be hot when you pick it up. What are you watching? What are you watching?
Beans.
Huh? What's the name of the show?
Beans.
Jelly beans?
No.
Jelly beans? Eh, ano? Ha? Eh, ano pala yan? Ha? Eh, hindi alam ni Mama eh. Mama doesn't know. What's that?
I don't know.
You don't know? Look like tennis ball to me. Is that a tennis ball? Colored tennis ball?
Yeah.
Are you done watching? Paki-off mo nga yung laptop na yun. Paki-off mo, please.
Alin?
Yung computer.
Ha?
Computer! Your panty showing. Sit down like a lady. Sit down like a lady. There you go. Naka-ekis mo ang paa. Naka-ekis ang paa. So what happened to your face? Mia?
I got panic.
What happened nga? Huh?
I got my panic.
What happened? Why do you have band-aid?
Because mommy scratched me.
Mama scratch you, mommy? What happened? Accidentally?
No, he tried to get her teeth.
What? Mommy scratch you?
Yeah. Mommy.
With her ring, huh? Accidentally?
No, where's her teeth?
With her? With her teeth?
No, it's keys.
Oh, with her keys. Oh. Did mommy say sorry?
Mommy's not saying so.
Your mommy didn't even say sorry?
No.
I'm gonna spank her. I'm gonna spank your mommy.
But who's not the baby?
But she's not a baby?
No.
I could still spank her. But she's my baby. She is my baby.
Maybe not.
Your mommy is my baby. Don't you know that? I can still spank her.
You papa mommy not a baby.
Yeah, I can still spank her.
Why?
Because she is my baby. She didn't even say sorry to you, Mia? That's not nice.
I just saw a name.
Huh?
I just saw mommy's.
Oh, why are you eating your, your paa? Huh? Why? Are you hungry?
No. Mickey Mouse.
Can Papa and I change the channel?
No, no, no. 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 Don't change the channel. No. Don't change the channel. Don't change. No, Mama.
Mia, you're too heavy for your sister. Aba! Talaga naman. Akala mo kayo magaan. Don't do that. Kira, get up.
No.
Clubhouse. Wala na, hindi na ako makapanood ng aking show. Let me go to my room and watch.
No.
Yeah,
No. Yeah.
since I cannot watch here. Mia, stop it.
You know, we want to watching here.
Naku, mahuhulog kayo.
You go you watching it because we want to watching you.
Yeah. So, can I watch here? Can I watch? Can I change the channel?
No.
Why not?
Because I need you to go in your own and watch you in your own in your room.
In my own room. Kay
Mama,
talaga.
I want to sit down.
This is my recliner. No, I don't like it up.
Yes, it is.
Masyado kang maestrang kitay. Masyado kang maestra. Okay, now I fall asleep.
I have
Yeah, you know how to put-
up, down, up.
I don't care. I don't care anymore. Is that treasure chest? Or candy? Is that candy?
No, there's no candy in there.
There's no candy.
Yeah, it's cold. Fine.
Hey, Mia. Can you pick that up, please? Mia, can you put it back in the couch, please? One at a time. Oh, your treasure. Kung saan maiwanan. So, put it back there. Thank you. Put the other one too. Thank you.
In my house.
Make sure you bring it to your house.
I am.
Tapos may iwanan mo naman kay Ubachan's house.
In my house.
Then you're gonna end up forgetting it.
I did.
Ay, you guys, nako, magkakalat na naman kayo. Hey, you guys are leaving soon. Stop making a mess. Yes, you are. Ang galong mga tuwira nito. Ay. What happened to Barbie? Is she doing exercise? What is Barbie doing? Ah, look at Barbie, oh. Ayan na, nagtumbling na si Barbie.
We don't
Ah. Muska. Mickey Mouse. Ayan, nag-ano ka na naman. See, you drop the blanket again. Can you pick it up, please?
Oh, I love this movie.
Lost treasure.
Over there.
You found it?
Yeah.
Ah. I think you have scratch on your face again.
Hi.
What happened? Come here.
I watch me.
Come on, let me see. Lagi na lang kayong may galo sa mukha. Eh, para kayong mga lalaki. Come here. I wanna see.
Why did you scratch me?
Did you scratch your sister, Mia?
Yes.
Ba, hindi naman dinidinay eh. Bakit? Why?
Because you take my fan.
Because what?
Because you take my fan.
Well, does it mean that you can hurt her?
It's just
That's not right. You don't hurt your sister, okay? Okay, Kira, come here. Come here. I wanna hug and kiss you. I wanna hug and kiss these two little angels.
Why?
Because I miss you.
We're not angels. But Daddy, you tell Daddy tell you we are angels.
You told your daddy?
Yeah, Daddy told
Daddy called you guys angels?
Yeah.
Because you are angels.
Why?
Angels sometimes, not so angel.
Why?
Because you are little.
No, we're not little.
Yes, you are. Why, you think you're big?
What?
Huh?
Are you giving me a kiss now?
Yeah, I'm giving you a kiss. Aray ko. Aray ko. I love you. You love Mama?
Yes, I do.
How much? How big? What about Papa? Do you love Papa too? How much? How much? Show me. Okay. Now I'm happy. What about you? Hey. Kirang makulit. Do you love Mama? I think you don't love Mama. You never answer. How big? How big? How big? Let me see. How big? Da big. Can Mom have a kiss too? Can Mom have a kiss? Pakis muna ang Mama. Pakis si Mama. Pakis muna si Mama. Pakis muna si Mama. Oh, I love you. Pahag muna si Mama. Pahag muna si Mama. Diyos ko. Huwag na sana kayong lumaki. Huwag na sana kayong lumaki. Sana ganyan na lang kayo lagi. Maging kapareho kayo ni Mahal. Wag naman sana, Diyos ko po. Pardon my words, pardon my language. Oh. Ha? Ha? Huy. Huy, makulit. Huy. Anak ni Juding makulit. Sinong makulit? Sinong makulit? Huwag kang mag-yell. Huwag kang mag-scream. Sinong makulit? Sino ang anak ni Juding makulit? Kumakanta na naman, oh. A, B, C, D, E, F, Hindi naman ganun eh. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
11, 12.
10.
Lahat na lang ikinakanta. Kulit! Are you ready for school?
No,
Huh?
I'm going to no.
Yes, you are.
Nina,
Yes, you are.
Nina.
Your mom is so excited
We not.
for you to go back to school.
I'm not. No, I'm not.
You're not excited?
No,
Why not?
because I'm not going to school.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Marami pa naman ang absent kayo sa klase. Aray ko.
We're going to party.
I need to have my pedicure done. Masakit. Ang sakit ng ingrown ko. Oh, I wish I live in the Philippines. Hey, Doña Kira. What are you doing there, Doña Kira? What is Papa doing? I can't find him. Can you find Papa?
Telescope. Telescope.
He's where?
Telescope. Telescope.
Anong telescope? Anong telescope?
Telescope.
Kira.
Mama.
Kira. I'm saying Kira, but I'm pointing the camera to Mia. Oh.
Mama.
Yes? Come here. I wanna kiss you and hug you again.
Peter, you gonna hug me?
Oh, yeah. I just kiss you. I just kiss and hug you.
No
I love you so much. I love you so much.
Okay.
Okay, you gonna sing too? Okay, can I hear? Okay, I'll sing along. Come here, I'll sing along. Okay, you sing together. Okay, then sing together. Come on, stand up there. Say bye. Come on, stand up there. Both of you. Hey, over there, over there. Come on. Bahay, kubo, kahit munti. Come on. Ay, ayaw kang mag-focus eh. Ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, patani. Okay, now, kahit ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, patani.
Bahay kubong kahit munti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, patani, puntol, patolan, tungkol sa lagasan, at saka
Now you sing along now. Bye. Come on. Say again. Bye. Okay. One more. Bye. I'm just lazy. Yogurt naman ngayon. Yogurt naman. I'll be cooking vegetable egg rolls. I'm out here. I'm cooking egg rolls. Okay? Are you guys okay there? Why are you guys so quiet? Are you guys okay? Huh? Mama is just out here, okay? I'm cooking, okay? You guys are okay? Thank you. Just behave yourself, okay? Mama is just out here. 5 more to go, and I am almost done. Yeah, Judy will bring this to her parents-in-law's house. They're gonna have a 4th of July party. She's coming to pick you up. Go put on your shoes now, guys.
I don't see other way. I don't
It's right there at the front door.
know.
Yeah, at the front door. I put it there. Okay? Hey, Mia, are you listening to Mama? Put on your shoes. Then you're not going with your mom then. You're gonna stay here.
I didn't stay here again.
No ba, hindi matakot? Is that yours? Okay, come here. Let me help you. So nobody listen to Mama, huh? Okay. I am mad. I am really mad now. I want you to put on your shoes right now. See, look at Kira. She's listening. Nagatong isang to, tikas ng ulo.
I don't know how to do.
That's why I'm asking you to come over and I will help you.
What,
Yan na. Tapos na si Makulit. Nakasapatos na. Ito pang isang Makulit.
Mommy? Mommy, take
Yeah, Mommy is almost coming. Supposed to be. He hurt you?
Yeah.
Kira?
Get take me.
Did you
Get take me down.
take your chair? Is that your chair? That's not your chair. You can share it to everybody.
Oh, yeah, this not.
That's for Mama and Papa's chair.
But yeah, sit on your chair.
You already sit there earlier.
Look.
Now it's your turn.
I did it.
Yes, you did. Aray! Aray ko! Mia naman.
Look.
Sakit-sakit
Kia
mo na.
was sitting there. Kia was sitting there first.
You should let her sit there. It's your turn.
No. I want to sit on her.
Kira, no fighting, please. I think your mom is gonna be here soon. Why don't you just share? Both of you have small butt. You will fit in there perfectly. See? Oh. Ayan. Aba talaga naman, Diyos ko po. Talagang. Mia! Papaluin kita. Sit down.
Kia was
Huwag mong ganyan.
me first. Kia was me first. No, me. Yeah.
Kira, Mia, stop it. Talagang. Look.